My name is Allan Cole. They call me Skill. Uh, the nom de plume came from playing soccer. I played soccer at a very tender age, and I started to represent the country when I was only 15, still the youngest player to have played for Jamaica at 15, and probably ever played for any national team in soccer. So that's where my popularity came as a youngster. A household name in soccer in Jamaica, and you know, when you're involved in sports in Jamaica and you achieve at a certain standards, you find other things come in place. So in doing so, I also became manager of Bob Marley The Wailers at an early age. In the early days, we formed Tuff Gong and things like that. So I tell you what, it's about 1968, 69. Bob and myself got together, and he wanted to form his new label. But I wasn't involved. We were playing soccer together. We were every day and things like that. So, and a fellow by the name of Gary Hall, who was involved in the music business at the time, he had the soccer team that played in the top division. He asked me to come and play a season for his team. So I was pondering. But at the time when he came, we were playing some little games in the air, myself and Bob and some other brothers. And then he came with the idea. I said, why don't you get involved in the music and help Bob? And he was beside me at the time, and I said, let me think about this. But I said, well, I don't know anything about the business. And he said, I can teach you about the business, but you have to come and play for my team. I will teach you all you need to know about the business. And at the same time, Bob hit me on my leg and said, okay, let's try it. And I just said, let's try it. And I decided to play for him. So we got together and I started learning about the business. I became the manager for the group. We formed Tuff Gong, and that's how I got involved in the business. And we moved on, But at that time, the music business was very rough. The Wailers had their own label. They weren't doing well because, they always produced good music, but they wasn't getting the proper plays, and they didn't have proper managerial structure behind them. So when I got into the business, that's what I started doing, and things started moving then. And we started writing the charts, making a lot of hits, and Tuff Gong get going. So that's how I got involved in the business. It's strange, but these things do happen. One thing leads into another, and you're in good companies, and these things do happen. All of us, we came together and we did it. Yeah. Hard days and a lot of struggle, but we did it.
Yeah.